In previous class, I told about that different types of function, how we have to represent the arrow diagram, a table, set of ordered pairs and graphical form. Now, based on that definition what I gave earlier, now I will solve one of the problems. Example 1.1, page number 16 in your textbook. So, if you verify the textbook, you will look at these sums and what are the terms is given and what are the things you have to prove it. First, one of the equation is given f of x. So, you have to substitute these different values in place of x, and what are the values will be get here. You have to check it. First, I am taking that f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. This one is given in the textbook. What is the first value of a? 1. Now you substitute here 1 in place of x. 3, 1 minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Next, f of, take out the second value 2 equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Take out the third value f of 3. 3 into 3 minus 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1 equal to 8. It's clear? Then take out that next value 4. F of 4. F of 4. F of 4 equal to 3 of 4 minus 1 equal to 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 1 equal to 11. It's clear now? So, you substitute all the values of A set 1, 2, 3 and 4 in place of x. You are getting this value. So, after see that 2 is getting, 5 is getting, 8 is getting, 11 is getting. Here there is only 4 values, but here there is 5 values. Definitely it is not possible to get, because see the difference here, 4 elements and 5 elements. After finding that, you go on to the question first. Arrow diagram. First one, Roman letter 1, arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. Already we done so many things in this arrow diagram. Okay, so you have to put that concept of the parabola symbol. It's clear? And what are the numbers in A set? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the number consists in B set? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. It's okay? Now write down all the numbers which is given in A set and B set. And now you have to follow this. When you substituting 1, what will be get? 2. When you substituting 2, what will be get? 5. When you substituting 3, what will be get? 8. When you get substituting 4, what will be get? 11. So, this is the answer for first Roman letter, arrow diagram. Now, take out the second Roman letter. Second Roman letter is nothing but table. Here, table. It's clear? Now, as usual, table, how we have to write the table? Listen first. So, you have to divide x, y. First, you put the column like this. Okay, for 4 values, don't bother about it. 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, because you are getting only 4. 1, if you substitute x, what is the answer getting? Y, 2. If you are substituting 2, what is the answer you are getting there? 5. If you are substituting 3, you are getting 8. If you are substituting 4, you are getting 11. So this is called as a table. It's clear? Third one, set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs, Roman letter 3. Set of ordered pairs. Set of, for every one you have to write the heading. Arrow diagram means arrow diagram, table means table. Set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. Now this and all already be done in so many sums. So take example F. Okay, put the set bracket first. When you are substituting 1, what the answer you are getting? 2. When you are substituting 2, what is the answer you are getting? 5. When you are substituting 3, what is the answer you are getting? 8. When you are substituting 4, you are getting the answer as 11. So this is third Roman letter answer, set of ordered pairs. Fourth one, graphical form. Graphical form. So as usual, fourth one, graph. Okay. So now x-axis, y-axis you have to draw that. This is y-axis and this one will be the x-axis. So you know that already x-axis you have to write here and here you have to write that y-axis. Already you know that initial value will be 0. Put that horizontal line for x-axis, vertical line for y-axis. It's clear? Any doubt? Okay. Then after see the value, because highest value is 14. Here only 4, x-axis is only 4. You put at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y value 14 is there. So either you can put to 2 or up to 14. Suppose if you are putting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If you need, put 14. Y-axis. It's clear? Then see the first point. 1, 2. X1, Y2. Be careful. This will be a X. This will be a Y. If you misunderstand or if you change this as X and Y, it will be a wrong. First you have to look out that, okay, the first coordinate will be X. The second coordinate will be Y. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Mark a point here. It is not a graph sheet. It is a manual white sheet. Just approximately we can mark it. Not just like a graph sheet accurate or no guess panni dhaan podrom. But when you are writing the number, you take it as a equal distance. If you are writing 1 means judge this distance. This measure panni sadhana judge panni adhe distance irukra mari paathunga. Adhe mari in the distance. Graph sheet means they put the box, we can write that. But here it is not possible. So approximately this will be 1, 2. Then second, if you substitute 2, what will be getting? 5. Here there is no 5. Between 6 and 4, it will be that 5. So 2 in place of 2, in place of 5. Okay, 2, 5. Next, third one. If you substitute 3, you are getting what? 8. So in place of 3, you will get as what? 8. 3, 8. Like that 4, 11. 4 will be 11. Between 10 and 12. Between 10 and 12. 4, 11. So this is the graph. One of the 5-mark question. So I just revise it. Follow. This is the question is given. Function is given. What the things you have to find out? These 4 things you have to find out. Take out the function first. F of that is equation. F of x equal to 3x minus 1. In place of x, you substitute all the 4 values. In place of x, you have to substitute all the 4 values. Engalla x or the value substitute panna, you will get that y value. Okay, so you can refer that 1 value is missing. Here 4 value, you will get only the 4th thing, not the 5th thing. So 2, 5, 8, 11. And so now we come on to first question, arrow diagram. Already I told that how we have to represent the arrow diagram. Put the just ellipse box or ellipse circle. Write that A set and B set. Compulsory write that what are the numbers. Okay, you are getting only 4 answer means you should not omit that 14. What the term is given, you have to write. Then indicate that what the answer is 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 8, 4 and 11. So this is arrow diagram. And a table. X, Y, same. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer getting? Here no need to write that 14. Why? Because you are not getting for any pre-image for that. So that's why for this you need not write that 14. So leave that. Next set of ordered pairs. Same. 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. So like that, close the set bracket. Then graph. X-axis, that is x-axis, y-axis. How we are written here, same we have to proceed. X-axis, see the maximum number. Here there is only 4. No need to write that more than that. 5 is estimation. Here there is 14. Okay, but 11 is enough. But I have written till 14. But each and everything will be x-axis. Sometimes you have to write compulsory x-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Like that y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit. 2 unit. So you have to represent. Be careful in that. How that is called as a scale. That is also already we noted from 8th standard we are studying that. How we are written. X-axis as well as y-axis. Mark the approximate point. You are writing in a white sheet, not a graph sheet. So make it as a equal distance. Otherwise you draw a line in a scale. Just draw a line in scale. Mark a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write it. Here also mark the point and write 2, 4, 6, 8. If not possible to get equal distance, keep the scale and mark a point on 1, 2, 3, 4 and write afterwards. Here also keep the scale and mark a point. You will get a equal distance. For that situation we have to just they will not measure, but when you are seeing that you have to approximate. 1, 2 mean 1, 2 la correct irukka appdi check பண்ணுவாங்க. 2 to 4 na 2 க்கு நேரா இருக்கா 5 க்கு நேரா இருக்கான்னு check பண்ணப்பாங்க. That's all. It's clear? Any doubt in this? So go through that very important sum. Based on this you have to follow that exercise sums. One of the sums I will tell that. So exercise 1.4. 1.4 second question. 1.4 second question, same model. You try it as a homework. Exercise 1.4 page number 25. Second question. Second question and third question will be a homework. Second question and third question will be a homework. Try it by yourself. Okay. So I have written homework sum 1.4 le 1.4 page number 25, page number 25, second and third sum. Second and third sum will be related to this. What I thought now. Only this equation is changed. This equation is changed. X by 2 minus 1. You substitute a value by divided by 2, then subtract 1. So be careful then. ஃபஸ்ட்டு எக்ஸோட வேல்யூவை 2ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். எக்ஸோட வேல்யூவை மைனஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு 2ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் 1. 2 is their first value. 2 by 2 minus 1. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. First you have to divide by 2, then you have to subtract. You should not subtract first. It's clear? Second and third sum. Now we move on to exercise 1.4, first sum. So take out the textbook. See that this is related to what? Vertical test. Give the reason for an answer concerning each graph. Each graph. So I have just informed it now. See. First sum, determine whether the given below represent the function. Give reason for an answer concerning each graph. See the first one. So first one, diagram is given. One line is there, x-axis. In previous class I told that x-axis and y-axis. Okay, the line is there like this. The line is there. Okay, it is not a function. It is not a function. Wherever if you are putting line, okay, vertical line test. Wherever if I am putting line here or I am putting line here, anywhere. Okay, so between that it touches 2 point. It touches 2 point. எந்த இடத்துல vertical line போட்டாலும் என்ன ஆகுது? ரெண்டு இடத்துல டச் ஆகுது. It touches in 2 places. Okay, therefore it is not a function. It is not a function. The first one is not a function because it touch more than one place. More than one place. Second one, what the diagram is given? X-axis and y-axis is given and the arc is given like this. See, the arc is given like this. If you are putting a line here, எந்த இடத்துல வந்து இந்த மாதிரி vertical line போட்டாலும் அது என்ன ஆகுது? ஒரே இடத்துல மட்டும்தான் டச் பண்ணுது. It touches at one places only. If you put a straight line, it touches only one place. Therefore, it is a function. It is a function because it touches only one point. Next, third one is also not a function. Third one is also not a function. If you put a vertical line in any of them, it will not touch. It will touch in 2 points. It will touch in 2 points. Sometimes 3 points. 3 points also possible to touch. Yes. Okay, S என்ற ஒரு லெட்டரில் நம்ம vertical line போடுறோம். 1, 2, 3 மூணு பிளேஸில் எங்கே போட்டாலும் சரி 1, 2, 3. Okay, it touches in 3 places. Therefore, it is not a function. It is not a function because it touches more than one place. Last one is a function. Last one is a function because wherever if you putting line, எந்த இடத்துல line போட்டாலும் ஒரு இடத்துல தான் டச் ஆகும். Therefore, it is a function. Therefore, it is a function. So, first one is not a function because it touch more than 2 places. Second one, it is a function. It touches only one place. Third one, it is not a function. When you put a line, it touches more than one place. That is 3 places. That's why it's called as a not a function. And fourth one, it is a function.